Right. Do 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 do. Yo, Paul. So, I have to go for a few days.
Okay.
Could you work on the game a bit?
Okay.
It doesn't have to be too much.
Okay.
Right. See you next Sunday then?
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Excellent.
Anyways, here's what we actually did. We started making the card battling side of the game by first creating a card class, and then a card database to hold these cards. Since cards can have a wide variety of effects, Paul then made a card parser so the cards can be processed correctly according to a command that is attached to the card object. He also made a reader function that allows all the cards to be stored in a text document and is read in from the file at the start of the game's runtime. This makes it easier for me, as I can just put all the cards I design into the text document rather than needing to go into the code to add every single new card. The battle phase is kinda done. The code is a bit scuffed and mostly inspired by memes, so we're not going to burn your brains out trying to explain it in detail. As you can see, cards can be hovered over to make them pop out. They can be clicked to select them. Then one of these buttons can be clicked to play, and the other cancels the card selection. Since we were too lazy to make a sprite for the buttons, we just used our current logo as a temporary one. Though, I can't remember which one it is, so I'll just guess. This one.
Hey, you. You're finally awake.
The game also looks more aesthetic now because I've been slaving away in the art department for a few days. I'm terrible at drawing, so I'd use a lot of reference images. Meanwhile, Paul was losing his mind with physics being buggy due to the slime sprite changing size and it glitching through platforms. We also have added animations, as you can see with this 10x10 enemy drawing that Paul did as a tester. The camera follows our player's movement now, and can be bound to stop the camera moving outside the level if the player falls or jumps out. The player will also take damage from this. Paul also added spawn coordinates tracking, buttons and text. And that's what we were able to do this time around. Thanks again for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.
Yo,
Yo,
so when I was going through the code, yeah, I saw this comment.
which one?
It was really weird. It just said Wendy.
Oh no.
What?
Wendy's